All right. Hi, everyone. My name is Joe Hernandez. On Instagram, follow me. I am Joe Hernandez. This was a great event over here. Who am I? I'm a real estate investor. I've been investing in real estate for quite a while now, about 18 years, more heavily looking to expand for like the last 3, 4 years. Reason why I was interested in this event, I heard about John. He's got a good track record, and I was very much interested in. Yeah, just John, just his track record in as far as investing. I like to hear about his story, how he kind of started investing in real estate and just kept going and growing and growing. He's also started the Realty Signature Realty. I'm a real estate agent myself. So I thought that was great. I know that it's a lot of hard work that he's been putting in, and I loved how just with these past 2 days, how he was very patient, explained everything very thoroughly, and gave us so much knowledge and so much value. John, yeah, I know him from Signature Realty, a partner in Signature Realty, and then also in the show, in the 24-hour flip show. I like how he works and collaborates together with his wife. I like that dynamic. I think it's beautiful and wonderful. I thought this event was great. I mean, I walked in, sat in the front row, and just got so much knowledge from John. He had a very good agenda of what he was going to teach us, and he thoroughly went through everything and answered our questions and gave us so much more value, gave us a lot of things to think about. Especially me being in real estate for a while, I feel like education is key, it's important, and it's always good to come out to these different events and meet the people, connect with the people, because you always get some very good nuggets from it. I think it always makes sense because you never know. Either it could just be the connection that you're making, and I feel like just connecting here with John, I feel like that was a valuable connecting. But and second, just everything that I learned from as well, like just him explaining his processes, and it's like you never know it all, and the more you're around people that are actually in the trenches, that are doing the things, not just reading a book or watching a video on YouTube, the better it is. And then you get to ask questions, and you get if you have an idea, what about this? And he'll give you an honest answer.
That was kind of.
I think that just from the event itself, we got immense value. I feel like I got more value than what I put in. So just from that side, I feel like I'm blessed and so much gratitude. I don't feel like it's salesy at all. I see the value in what he is offering as well. So as long as someone is willing to take action, it's like what better way to learn than being side by side with someone who's doing it, you know. And the cost, as long as someone's willing to take action, I think is irrelevant compared to the value that they're going to get from it, and the long-term success and wealth that they could build from it. I think the right kind of person to be here is someone who's determined to want something better in their lives. They have a good reason for what their values are, what their why is, and someone who's willing and able to take action. Because you want to definitely take most value from it. You just don't want to, it's great to come and spend these couple of days, and then also with his offering as well. But what's most important is to actually take an action. So definitely someone who's taking action and taking action for the right reasons, that when challenges come and obstacles come, those values and their why is going to springboard them to continue, and be able to succeed and overcome. Would I tell someone to come out to this event? 100% yes. I think these 2 days was action packed. So much value you get in the 2 days. Not much fluff. Not much. It was just great. It was a lot of value, and you hands on. That connecting with John, I think just that piece right there is invaluable. I think for me in my business, doing rehab and projects, I think he definitely has pushed me to think outside the box and think, how could we do this in a concise matter of time? And these are the reasons why. So he definitely gave me different ideas as far as my approach in my flipping business, but also as in the commercial space. Commercial space is not a space that I currently dwell in. but he gave us a lot of examples as far as value adds in the commercial space and why it's important. And not just to do fix and flip or stick to fix and flip, but to think bigger and think outside the box and maybe, use the fix and flip as a springboard to go into commercial and now start adding value in through commercial. And then that's where you could see wealth creation and wealth growth.